The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus first live look is here. An alleged live demo video and a picture of the rear side of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus showed up online. The S23 series is expected to debut at the Unpacked launch event in February 1. The series has been exposed to multiple leaks and rumors in the past, but now a fresh video has appeared online revealing the phone's design in full glory. While the leaked images in past have already revealed the design of the phone from various angles, the new leaks came from a Twitter user, Alvin, in which we can clearly see the device is being used in a working condition. It is the Phantom Black variant with model number SMS916B. It looks like most European and Asian countries will have the SMS91XB model number format instead of SMS91XB for Europe and SMS91XC for most Asian countries. It seems like the phone may end up with a less curvy frame than the S22 family, opting for a more angular body with rounded corners. Similar to last year's models, it looks like Samsung could once again choose to have the Plus variant look identical to the base phone. Meanwhile, from the source image, we can see that the S23 Plus may have slightly different designs compared to their counterparts from the S22 line. Another notable difference is the layout of the camera sensors. Where the S22's rear cameras were housed together within a casing, these images show the S23 Plus with cameras that protrude from the back individually. This appears to sync up with the leaked renders we reported on earlier, though the leaker wasn't completely convinced with the leak itself, so take it as a pinch of salt. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra gets 4 new colors as retailer leaks tempting pre-order gift for early Galaxy S23 buyers. Back in December, there was a Galaxy S23 accessories leak that detailed the supposed colors of the S Pen, cream, green, lavender, and phantom black. This obviously led to the conclusion that these would also be the official introductory colors for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, it appears there will be 4 new colors for buyers to choose from, although they will be offered in lower volume compared to the main colors listed previously. The official marketing names for the main colors are allegedly Cotton Flower, Misty Lilac, Botanic Green, and Phantom Black. Display specialist Ross Young has revealed the other 4 Galaxy S23 Ultra colors: gray, light blue, light green, and red. He lists the currently expected colors as beige, black, green, and light pink, with there already being some discussion about how the beige or cream and light pink, lavender, or lilac color options will look. As pointed out by a commenter, the red choice for the S23 Ultra might be something of a double-edged sword, as it certainly looks suspiciously orange-like on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which also has graphite, gray, and sky blue options. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in some or all of its wide choice of colors will be officially launched at the Unpacked event, which has also been recently leaked. An Estonian retailer is offering a set of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbuds for those early pre-ordering customers who go on to actually purchase a qualifying smartphone, which is presumably any model from the Galaxy S23 series. It's not clear if this is the retailer's own initiative or Samsung's, but the promotional material does suggest it might be from the manufacturer. So there might be a not-too-shabby sweetener incoming for those willing to pay the high price to own a new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Of course, just getting a date for the event is big news, especially for someone looking to buy their next handset. Samsung has been known in the past to offer amazing incentives for those that pre-register for pre-orders. This year's Galaxy Unpacked event could behold a lot more than just smartphones, with early reports stating that Galaxy Book laptops could also be making an appearance. Only time will tell, so stay tuned as we find out more about the upcoming event. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for latest Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.